I use it because I have a hearing loss, congenital, and so I have it connected to my main big screen TV so that I don't have to turn the volume up and chase my wife out of the house. So that's why I got it. Why I bought this particular unit, it's actually, I believe, the second Avantree unit I've had. I have this one, which is similar, I think. And I think I first found it on Amazon, maybe, just in searching, and, read reviews and all that sort of thing, and bought this other one and used it for a while, and it was still working. But I think the thing that I liked about this one was the rechargeable cradle. So the things I like the most, with the 5150, being rechargeable is, I never have to think about it. I take it off, I just put it on the charging thing. The fact that the Bluetooth connects automatically, it just takes a few moments. So if there's something on TV that just come on, I might miss it. But, it goes on, and occasionally it doesn't connect. Occasionally, and I have to turn it off, turn it back on, but it's not a problem. And on this older unit I have, it's really pretty much the same, worked the same way. The only disadvantage was that I had to plug it in to charge it. And it took, it probably took a couple of hours, I guess, or something to charge, and I'd be without earphones during that time. Believe this would be accurate to say that your customer service is very good, because I've now gone through several of these and have had some warranty issues, like these things coming apart, and I've contacted you folks and have gotten very good service, which should be standard, but is not. So when I get good service, I want to recognize it. Yeah. In particular, the 5150 rechargeable ones, they're a lifesaver. I still have closed captioning on, just because of my hearing. I still can't always make out the dialogue completely. And so with the earphones and the closed captioning, perfect.